So after my hand sketch and my CAD, I created the geometry. And as you can probably notice right away, it's not 100% according to the plan, because at the last minute, I decided to turn this and tilt it off to the side so it wouldn't be right in line with my arm. And so this was made on the lathe. This was made on my jigsaw, my lathe, my different table saw cuts. Here's the little plastic pieces that hold the sandpaper on. And so this fits on here like this. It's nice and tight. And now when I sand, there's the resin over the fiberglass. And so when I sand, it makes these tiny little minute fiberglass shavings, and they are just terrible and they're really itchy. And so that's why I want them to go right into the vacuum. And so, as you can see, when I turn this on, before this I was doing it with my belt sander. And even though I was connecting the vacuum to the belt sander, it was just too aggressive and was throwing stuff everywhere. And I'd end up going home at night itching. So that's not good. That means I was probably breathing it too, even though I had to forget about it. Yeah, that's working very well. Had it staying really clean under here. So I know that the particles are really being captured. So I think this is a great success. It's not something that, is marketable, I don't think, but there you go. When you have a problem, it's really nice to envision a solution, do a little hand sketch, a little CAD, build it. Of course, if I were going to build another one of these, I would take this and I would push it in the back more, because it's a little awkward. So that would be my design mod, but I think it's really good.